ICT Minister Mavetera is under fire for leading Chiwenga diss song at National Shrine. VPC supporters label ye reckless provocative. Sana vina mashwa tunakuta aiwa panapa tanda Mavetera opinzwa busy nokuleader aiwa ka group kaka karipo pa burial on Monday kainge kachiprovoka general mulbo subscribe or like on the bell like timu panapa ubami kwa mchinzi. ICT Minister Tanda Mavetera is facing a firestorm of criticism for leading a provocative song targeting acting President General Chiwenga. This dramatic scene unfolded yesterday in the National Heroes Acre in Harare, exposing the deep fault lines within ZANU-PF. Mavetera, who formed the Young Women for ED group ahead of the disputed 2023 elections, was seen in the stands leading a group in a song with the lyrics Mpando Kimupando Ngoya Kwana Chiramuna, which translates to Traitor, traitor, your time is up. This song like a dagger aimed at the heart, indirectly accused acting President Chiwenga of being a traitor. The division was evident. Two groups in stands at different as night and day. One group dressed in pink, Young Women for ED t-shirts, and led by Mavetera clashed with another group sharing space with soldiers. Mavetera's group also waved fox crocodiles in the air, a display of loyalty to President Idi Mnangagwa. The supporters of Mavetera clashed head-on with the group who loudly praised Chiwenga and sang in his support for the refrain, Siana inaye Chiwenga munomu vengirei, or leave Chiwenga alone, why do you hate him? Thomas Konuda Panapa tunakuta aiwa, wakumana Panapa, they are now drawing the conclusion kuti aiwa, ZANU-PF yato splitter, tiona kuti part 1 and 2 masides, akanga aripa represent pa the National Shrine, wazvansi kuda pachena, tiona ni criticism, ichinda kunatenda Mavetera, yekumobilizer, aiwa, kuprovoka generali. Tudze mafunguro aimwa tudipu msope chitko ichi. Pina kuma section edu, subscribe or like,